Hey mathletes, welcome to MALogics. If you wanna get good grades in maths, my videos and content are about math, where I share daily math tips to help you sharpen your skills. And today we are tackling a brain teaser, which is 12 divided by 3 parentheses 8 divided by 2. Here, your brain might be screaming it's 1, but that's not quite right. Why did your brain says 1? It's a common trick question that plays on how we interpret the order of operations. Can you solve this before I do? Okay, let's dive into the solution. Alright, in such type of questions where parentheses and division such like operations are, so we will choose the rule of PEMDAS. According to this rule, parentheses has higher priority, so we will do parentheses first, after then the remaining operation which is division. So first we will do this parenthesis. Now write 12 divided by 3 as it is, and inside this parenthesis 8 divided by 2, which gives us 4. In our next step, according to the rule of BODMAS, this division has higher priority over multiplication. So we will do this division first. So 12 divided by 3 gives us 4, and this times 4. So we will perform the multiplication. 4 times 4 equals to 16. And friend, this is our final and correct answer for the statement given above. So if you enjoyed this video and learned something, then don't forget to like and subscribe for such upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.